Thank you, Chairperson. Chairperson, the OCJ has allocated 2.7 billion for the financial year, and as we know, this is insufficient. And the result is that key infrastructure projects for both superior and lower courts are delayed or deferred until funds become available. And as we've seen with oversight visits, many of our courts are no longer fit for purpose, and these delays undermine the delivery of justice services, frustrating access to justice. Now, it's important to note that the judiciary themselves are not able to negotiate their budget. They operate through the OCJ, and whilst the OCJ does a lot of good work, one's got to bear in mind that it is a government department. And we have expressed our concerns about the failure to resolve the matter of the judiciary's institutional independence. And we are pleased that the progress that has been made, and particularly that the Deputy Minister indicated a 6-week period, it seems to be moving rapidly to finalize this operation. But as indicated before, the judiciary have had to rely heavily on the executive for its operations. And when one considers that we as Parliament appropriate the budget as well, then we are to a certain degree complicit in flying in the face of Section 1654, which requires all organs of state, that is the executive and Parliament, to assist and protect the courts, to ensure independence, impartiality, dignity, accessibility, and effectiveness of the courts. And I'm sure you'll agree with me, if there's an insufficient budget, then we are in flagrant disregard of Section 1654. And hopefully we understand the financial constraints, but hopefully this will be improved when we enhance the independence model, and that the judiciary, with an OCJ that is part of the judiciary, will be able to directly negotiate for their substantial budget. We appreciate the work of the Moseneke Committee in terms of the rationalization, and we know that rationalization will require more judges to be appointed. And this is very necessary, given the population growth and the economic growth, which has increased judges' workloads considerably. It's unbelievable, if it is correct, that the number of judges since 2008 has not been increased, and that there are a number of acting judges that have been appointed. Can you believe, if you're a litigant in the North Gauteng court, that you have to wait up to 5 years for a trial date? And so we fully believe that justice delayed is justice denied. But we are really trusting Minister and Deputy Minister and with the department that we will address these issues, that we will ensure a sufficient budget for the judiciary to enhance and maintain their independence.
Thank you, Honourable.
Thank you.
Swart.